Hey folks, this is Raul here at Worldwide RV, the Jayco dealership here in Mesa. I'm your overland guy, and today I want to show you a really cool teardrop, the Luna Rover. The Luna Rover is a teardrop made by inTech and is all made out of aluminum structurally and weighs less than 2,000 pounds. It can be towed even by a two-door Jeep. It has a really cool outside kitchen with two burner. Your onboard battery is there with the battery disconnect, and it has a really cool Dometic fridge. The inTech is surprisingly spacious for a teardrop. Two full-size adults can comfortably sleep in here, and as you can see, you have all the comforts. You have a 8,000 BTU AC, radio and DVD player, comes with its own smart TV and inside speakers and outside speakers. You also have a ceiling fan. It has a really nice window right here that right now is covered, but the whole front is actually a window, and some decent storage space. It has the 15-inch off-road tires that allow you to take it off the beaten path with aluminum brush guards, and the accessory roof rack that you can put kayaks or bicycles or any other cool stuff you want to take with you in your adventure. If you're in the market for a very versatile, very light teardrop, very comfortable for two people, come check us out.